Hey guys, so recently I discovered FL Studio hack for moving your audio files, MIDI presets, channel presets and plugin presets from one project to another project. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do exactly like that. So without further ado, let's begin. So we all know that we can save these presets so we can use it later in our other projects. So what if I told you that there is another easy way to move these presets or any MIDI files or anything that you see, any audio files that you see right here, from this project to another project. So here I opened this empty FL Studio project. Now I'm gonna go to files and then search for the project that I want to share files between. So if you don't see your project right here, make sure to open it first and then you're gonna see your project right here. So now I have opened another project. The next thing I want to do is minimize this project and this project too, so that we can easily move files between two projects. So now I'm gonna do is move any of the files between these two projects, like this files, and this score goes to there. Yeah, also same for the mixer presets, files, where the hell is files and mixer. Here you go. So this is really easy if you want to move any of the presets or any of the files between two projects. So if you guys have learned anything new from this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel and follow me for more tips and tricks. Thanks.